Riverside Marine and Cycle, Miles City, Montana. We've got a 2016 Honda Pioneer 1000 with electric power steering. Got new tires on it all the way around. Has the full hard cab. Crank down window doors. Tilt assist dump box. Slider glass rear window. Does have a tear on the driver's seat. This machine's got the heater and wiper washer kit. Has 1,673 hours. 11,408 miles. I'm going to take another video of this getting started up, drove around. If you've got any questions, you can always give us a call at 406-232-3300.